guys, I'm gonna teach you how to download Stunt Car Racing. Hey Joe, how to play Stunt Car Racing. Okay, I will both. Hello guys, I am back. All of this will offline online. If you go to offline single, if you're offline play or multiplayer lobby or lobby. Okay, I'm offline because I'm not internet or data. I am plain mode single. Okay, what is your favorite? Military Mayan, stunt mode, or coin blitz, team, volcanic, flag frenzy, star mode, and free roam? This single player is practice mode. Okay, I am military Mayan. Okay, oops. Dagang 4 feet ko yan. Yes! 8 feet and 2 seconds. Oops. What's happening here? I'm okay. Do kid, yes I can. I'm okay. Do kid, yes I can. I can. Do kid, yes I can. I'm a can. Do kid, yes I can. I can smell a rose. I can see the sunshine. I can tie my shoe. I can wiggle my toes. Oops. It's so start. You got 46 points. And again, trying to do the place today. Submit your score. Thank you.